Well, hello again. Uh, we're looking forward to tomorrow. That's Tuesday, our class date. I wanted to go through with you the actual Module 4 course project in a rough draft. Now, I know you've all selected, or most of you have selected, a movie to be, or television show to be reviewed. Okay? I want you to write a 4-page paper, APA format, using appropriate spelling, grammar, and addresses the items below. Okay? I want you to be looking at the culture, perception, and all this is in your Blackboard information. The self, listening, verbal messages, nonverbal messages that we've talked about. And also, I want you to be looking at the emotional message that we're going to be talking about today or tomorrow, relationships, and the conflicts. Now, the second part of this, I want you to identify at least 4 scenes from the movie that feature different elements of communication. For instance, if the characters in the movie started the relationship and clearly showed the initiation stage of relationship, that could choose that element to write about. Okay, so be alert to that. Each scene, I want you to find the communication element that's featured within that scene that you're dealing with. Describe the character interactions. Be sure to provide enough details, not superficial. Demonstrate your understanding of the communication elements by analyzing how the character interactions are influenced by the communication elements. Be sure to include your own insights and thoughts. Include quotations from at least 3, that's 3 credible sources to be in your analysis. Be sure to include the APA format and text citations, references for your sources. Okay, now, the thing that I want you to do for tomorrow, I want you to make sure that we have discussed the movie that you have selected and submitted to me. I mean, most of these movies, I haven't got a clue what you're talking about, what they are. So I want you to describe them to me and make sure that they're okay. I also have sent you the information about how to make PowerPoint presentations. So you have about, I don't know, 20 or 30 slides that tell you how to do things on PowerPoint to make it very effective. All right. There's also a writing guide and the various sources and the APA guide that you have. So this is a very interesting project, and I know that you'll love it. I will. And so we'll see your rough drafts a week from tomorrow, and we'll look forward to it. And make sure you do this in a Word document. And I don't think there's many of you that are Mac users like me, but make sure that you're following the right aspect ratios for that. Okay? All right, I'll see you tomorrow. And I just wanted to make sure that you knew that we go through that. We'll go through it again tomorrow in class, but if you have any questions, make sure you're thinking about that. All right?